friends, welcome to Miss Donna's Outdoor Ideas. And today's outdoor idea is to collect things in nature, and there's so many things you can do with these. So have your child go on a scavenger hunt around your yard or your neighborhood and collect all kinds of things in nature. There's so many fun things to find in the fall. And then you can sort them by color, size, shape, and count them. There's so many things you can do with them, and these are great pre-math skills. So I found big leaves. I found some walnuts. Some pretty flowers. Pine cones. Dandelions, some yellow leaves, oak leaves, I love oak leaves, and some, oh, there's another purple flower, and some clover. So you can sort by color and say, put all the yellow things in a pile and the brown things in a pile. You can sort by size and go biggest, let's see, biggest to littlest. You can sort by numbers and we can say, what do we have the most of? We could count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pine cones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 walnuts. And 2 dandelions. Let's see. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4 purple flowers. What do we have the most of? I think we have the most pine cones. So this is a great way to teach more and less. You can teach size and shape and color and counting. So many things you can do with nature. Have fun.